Hi, RJ Baxter here, Fairway Independent Mortgage. On this beautiful Colorado morning, it's May 21st, and we have this wonderful snowfall. So I thought it's the perfect day to talk about the topic of repairs that might be required during the loan process on your particular loan. This typically comes up when the appraiser asks for repairs to be done to bring the property up to the specs that are required for your particular loan. So that's one type of repairs. The other type is voluntary repairs or improvements that you want to do on the property, such as a kitchen remodel, bathroom remodel, replace the flooring, put an addition on. Those types of repairs are different. We can help you to finance that after closing through a renovation loan. So we can talk about that if you're interested in those types of repairs, but that's a different topic. What I want to talk about today is repairs that are required through the process. So typically, the lender wants to see these repairs done prior to closing so that the property is up to the standards that are required for the loan. So a lot of times the seller will do those repairs prior to closing, but if it's something that cannot be repaired because of weather, and that's why I wanted to talk particularly today about this topic, that's a reason why the lender might allow what's called an escrow holdback. This is where the lender holds the funds in escrow for the purpose of paying the contractor to do these repairs after closing. Typically, lenders don't like it if it's a larger dollar amount item, or if that's being done because out of the convenience of the seller or the buyer to do it after closing. Typically, for those types of reasons, they're going to make it be done prior to closing. But if it's because of weather, for example, the roof is covered with snow and it cannot be done prior to closing, that's a reason why lenders typically will allow us to do an escrow holdback and do the repairs after closing. Also, another example would be painting. Obviously, you're not going to want to paint a house in weather like today where it's 30 degrees out, because the paint job is going to be substandard because the paint won't cure correctly. So that's another example of a reason why that repair might be done after closing. If in fact you are allowed to do an escrow holdback, the lender is going to still monitor that project. They're going to want it done within a reasonable time frame, and then they're going to send the appraiser back out after closing to verify that the work is done in order to make your loan complete. So that's just a little bit about escrow holdbacks and repairs that are required during the loan process. If you have any questions about that or anything else loan related, just give me a call. My name is RJ Baxter, Fairway Independent Mortgage. Have a great day.